Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll take you inside and show you exactly how leopard leather is made.
Precise ratios and automated systems ensure the highest quality leather every time. Every stage is monitored for maximum precision, guaranteeing perfection in every product.
Every product is thoroughly inspected before leaving the factory, ensuring only the best reaches our clients.
And that's how million-dollar leather products are made, from raw materials to finished product. We hope you enjoyed the tour. Guided by artificial intelligence, each robotic arm knows exactly when and where to move. Autonomous carriers bring parts at the perfect moment, keeping the line flowing without